T4BT helmet headset. User manual. 5BT chip. Super signal transmission. Low power consumption. 160 hours standby. 180 mAh battery. Super long call. For incoming calls automatically. Extreme music. Clearly transmit high-quality music from mobile phones. Activate voice assistant. Connect to mobile phones. Information is not delayed. Suitable for a variety of helmets. BT pairing. In the shutdown state, long press the power button for 3 seconds. The voice prompt, power on. Enter the BT pairing state. Turn off when the mobile phone BT. Select the BT name T4 and click to connect. After the connection is successful, the voice prompt, connected. Pair two phones. Turn off the first connected mobile phone BT. Pair the second phone BT. Turn on the first phone BT again. Power on off. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. The voice prompts, power on. To turn on, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. The voice prompts, power off. To shut down. Answer the call. The number will be reported when there is an incoming call, after which the incoming call will be answered automatically. You can also click the power button to answer the call manually. Call rejection. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to reject incoming calls. Terminate the call. Click the power key to end the call. Call back. Double-click the power button to dial the last outgoing call. Music play pop. Click the power key to pop play music. Click to select next song. Click to select previous track. Long press to increase volume. Long press to decrease volume. Activate Siri. Press and hold the power button R2 seconds to enable the Siri voice assistant. Switch language when the BT is not connected after booting. Double-click the power button to switch between Chinese and English voices. Installation means secure the headset inside the helmet with Velcro.